about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Katherine. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video, I am going to be creating a abstract illustration that combats the enemy lies and the mind monsters that we all have. Video concept came to me at the beginning of the week as I had a very hard time getting out of bed. I was just really down. The last 2 months, I've really been into doodling, illustrations, abstract art, whether it was putting a pen to paper or using Procreate. And I've been taking risks as I am a beginner, but I've just been doing it for fun. Although I love decorating and doing easy DIYs, I've always had a heart to help people. If you follow me for this long, I'm always sharing tips of how I make things work. I'm always encouraging you guys over on my Instagram page. I just truly have a heart to help people. I'm very excited because this video is my first collaboration with a powerhouse woman. Her name is Sade. She has a blog. She is a mom, sister, friend. She is a wife, and she is just overall an amazing woman. And she has a blog that she put her heart into to share with you all today. So the voiceover that you're going to be hearing is her story. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're aware every single time I upload a new video. And let's combat the lies of the enemy through abstract art.
I'm still here. I'm sure that my absence speaks before my fingertips can stroke the dusty keys of my laptop, but I'm still here. There's an enemy who fights against God's purpose for my life. Not that everything has been bad. Everything has been good, but that's Satan's work. He blows a red haze that is thick enough to cloud one's vision with his deception. I am not here because of the strength behind a punctuation labeled a semicolon, but because Christ, he's still here. When my knees don't meet the carpet enough, and my hands don't fold until my knuckles are flesh-colored, he is still here. My confidence has been fractured. I've wondered if I was worthless. Am I worthless? Even through the pain of a seemingly shattered soul, I can hear the echoes of my Father saying, "You are enough, you are enough, you are enough." These are the thoughts of a mind that battled depression daily. It is not to say that we cannot conquer the monster of diseased thoughts, but our strength relies on the one we are connected to. When the dumps are down in us, to whom do we run? It is not the eager ears of our neighbor who feast on the sorrow-bathed words, those who judge our thoughts and prey on our dysfunction, those who lie and tell us we are nothing. We are something. Loosen the grip on that blade, those pills, that dire need to feel what it's like to breathe underwater, or the idea of how high you would be if it were carbon monoxide. We are worth dying for and not worth dying. Woven in the wombs of our mothers, designed for a destiny that will lead us down roads paved with gold. We are purpose-filled beings, destined for a journey much bigger than the conceptualized idea from an enemy whose only assignment is to kill. Even after those harrowing moments of believing those lies, God is still here. Cradles us like the innocent. He never lets us go. The putrid aroma disguised as hate for ourselves is washed away with his love. If the King of Kings be so intentional to love us, we are something. We are his, and we are still here.
No matter the level you are creatively, you can still do this project. This was so therapeutic. I know this isn't the most abstract art you all ever seen, but I'm so proud of this piece. It was just a reminder that God is for me, for you, and he's so much bigger than the things we are currently facing. I encourage you to jot down the lies of the enemy, whether they were spoken over you or things you've been telling yourself, and find scripture that go against that negative thinking. I hope this inspired you today. Leave down in the comments some of your favorite Bible verses that are a go-to for you. And as always, I will talk to you all later. And don't forget to check out Sade's blog at churchgirldiaries.com, linked in the bio to read the full story.